In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iCloud Mail signature. If you use iCloud Mail in a web browser, this is a quick update you can make, so every new message includes a clean, consistent sign-off. A signature is the text that automatically appears at the bottom of your emails. Things like your name, role, and a short line you want recipients to see, so you don't have to type it every time. Start by opening your browser and going to iCloud.com Mail. Sign in with your Apple ID to open iCloud Mail. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top of the mailboxes list for the gear icon. Click that gear, then choose Settings. This opens the iCloud Mail settings panel where you can customize how you write and send messages. In the sidebar of the settings panel, select Composing. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Add a Signature. This is where you control what gets added to the bottom of your outgoing emails. Click inside the signature box and type the text you want to use. Keep it short, clear, and professional. Think of a simple 2 to 4 lines with your name and any essential details. Line breaks are supported, so you can stack the information neatly. iCloud Mail on the web uses plain text for signatures, which means no bold, italics, colors, links that look like buttons, or images. If you paste formatted text, it will be flattened into plain text. If you need subtle structure, use simple separators like dashes, pipes, or line breaks. The benefit of plain text is that it displays reliably in virtually any email app your recipients might use. Your changes save automatically, so there's no separate save button to click. Once you're done, close the settings. The next time you compose a new email in iCloud Mail on the web, your updated signature will appear at the bottom of the message. If you ever decide you don't want a signature at all, return to the same composing section and uncheck Add a Signature. That immediately removes it for new messages. A quick note on scope. The signature you set here applies when you send mail from iCloud.com in a browser. If you also use the Mail app on a phone or computer, those apps maintain their own signature settings, so update them separately if you want everything to match. That's it. Simple, reliable, and easy to adjust whenever your details change.